A lot of people want to know, well, what's the time frame for registration? Because, this also comes back to initially Amazon would only provide brand registry on a registered mark. So it was a race in terms of which country can I get a registered mark in the quickest, so that I could use that for brand registry and then leapfrog off all of those. Europe is the quickest, and then the UK. Canada's long time. At current, it's about 20 months. The US used to be quicker. It now takes you about 10 to 12 months before you even get an examination report, just because of the backlog of applications. It's gone insane. But now that Amazon has changed the rules and it will allow you to apply on an application with certain jurisdictions, the timeframe for registration isn't really relevant, other than you'll recall me saying that you can't actually enforce a mark until it's registered. So that's where it may be something that you need to look out for in terms of the time frame.
Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We help people just like you start your own successful business, selling things online, whether that's through Amazon, Shopify, eBay, whatever it may be. We've got the tools that you need to help you succeed online. Whether you're a complete beginner or indeed a professional making millions of dollars, we can certainly help you. By the way, we've helped over 2,500 people right now here in Australia, as well as right around the world. We've got sales in our members community of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out how we did that and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description. That's aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the inside.